Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create your own YouTube channel, from the very beginning all the way to having a fully customized and professional-looking channel, ready to upload your first video. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so follow along carefully. Step 1. Create a Google account. To use YouTube, you need a Google account. If you already have one, you can skip this step. If not, go to accounts.google.com and click Create Account. Fill in your name, email, and password. Once you're done, you now have a Google account that gives you access to YouTube. Step 2. Create your YouTube channel. Go to youtube.com. Click your profile picture at the top right and select Create a Channel. Here, you can choose to use your name or create a custom brand name. If you want to build a personal brand or business, I recommend a custom name that is unique and easy to remember. Step 3. Customize your channel. Go to YouTube Studio and then click on Customization. Under the Branding tab, upload your profile picture. Make sure it's simple, clear, and represents your channel well. The recommended size is 800 by 800 pixels. Next, upload your channel banner. This is the big image that appears at the top of your channel. The recommended size is 2560 by 1440 pixels. You can easily create one for free using Canva or similar tools. Finally, add a video watermark. This small image will appear on your videos and lets people subscribe with a single click. Step 4. Add channel information. Go to the Basic Info section. Here, write your channel description. This is where you tell viewers what your channel is about. For example, this channel shares YouTube tips for beginners, helping you grow step by step. Use clear and simple keywords so your channel appears in search results. You can also add your social media links and a business email so people can contact you easily. Step 5. Enable advanced features. By default, your channel only has basic features. To unlock more, go to Settings, then Channel, then Feature Eligibility. First, verify your phone number. This unlocks custom thumbnails, live streaming, and longer uploads. For advanced features, YouTube may ask for an ID or video verification. This helps confirm your identity and gives your channel full access, including monetization in the future. Step 6. Ready to upload your first video. Now your channel is fully set up. To upload, click the Create button at the top and then Upload Video. Choose your file, add a catchy title, a clear description, and a custom thumbnail. Finally, publish your video and share it with the world. And that's it! You've just created a YouTube channel from start to finish. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more YouTube growth tips, and comment below if you've just created your own channel today. Thanks for watching, and welcome to YouTube.